Hi, hello, and welcome to Prediction 360. First, let's talk about yesterday's match. What a match it was! It looked like an easy victory for RR when Delhi finished. At midway mark of RR's innings, it was a sure shot Delhi win, and then the two South Africans from RR made some magic, and voila, they won. Brilliant, just brilliant match. Almost all the predictors told that it was a DC's match to lose, and maybe it was. They just were unable to play the slow change-ups of RR bowlers, coupled with some spectacular ground fielding and catching by RR, which eventually helped them secure their first win in this year's IPL. Congratulations RR, and let's get on with match number 8, CSK versus PBKS in Wankhede once again. Let's get on with the first segment, Professor B's tip of the day.
Simply Chumma's tip of the day. Always have multiple bets. Don't think about having a single team and expect to win in a fantasy team predicting betting site. Always have multiple permutations and combinations to increase your chances of a win.
Let's talk about team news. CSK is coming from a loss and not so pretty one at that. They will surely think about making some tweaks and improve the fielding a bit more. There were too many catches dropped. Let's hope the men in yellow can change the tide tomorrow. Both Ngidi and Behrendorff are still set to be unavailable for selection. Let's see. PBKS is coming from a morale boosting victory. They hit a lot of runs and held their nerve to win the match at the last ball. PBKS might be thinking of sitting out Murugan Ashwin and bringing on Ravi Bishnoi. Let's talk about head-to-head history. CSK leads comprehensively when it comes to the head-to-head history, as CSK have won 14 of their 23 matches played against each other. And in the last 5 matches, CSK leads with 4 victories. Suresh Raina has scored 814 runs against Punjab in IPL history. MS Dhoni's batting average is 59.5 against Punjab. He has scored for 595 runs against them. Dwayne Bravo has taken 22 wickets against PBKS. The only thing is PBKS team are relatively new, all the bowlers, so they don't have much of a history against CSK for us to give some valid stats against the opponent. Let's talk about the ground condition. The Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai has been heavily favorable towards the batting the first 2 matches of IPL. But in the last match, bowlers were able to get some assistance when you bowl the slow cutters in the first. But Delhi decided to bowl a lot of fast balls, which worked actually. But Dew came in late, and that changed the setting completely once again. So the best thing to do still is to chase in this ground. Let's talk about the matchups. Chris Gayle versus Bravo. It's actually strange but true that Bravo in the last 5 years have bowled 51 balls to Gayle and haven't been able to get a wicket till now, but have given away 83 runs. That's a huge stat. Let's talk about Faf du Plessis versus Shami. In 32 balls, Faf has hit 64 runs and lost his wicket only once to Shami, which is an exceptional record against Punjab's premier bowler. Let's talk about SC's match prediction. Data shows CSK, current form says PBKS. Who will win? The team who chases will most probably find their success heightened. And if I have to pick a team, then I will go for CSK. Their players just love playing against Punjab. Let's talk about Simply Chumma's Fantasy 11. Plan your 11 as per who you think will win. So we have selected KL Rahul, Suresh Raina, Faf du Plessis, Mayank Agarwal, Deepak Hooda, Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Sam Curran, Bishnoi, Mohammad Shami and Shardul Thakur. We'll make Mayank Agarwal my captain and Shardul Thakur my vice captain. This pick that we did is based on data analysis and my interpretation. But let's get on with what luck has in store in our new segment, Hand Cricket One-on-One.
दर्शकों से खचाखच भरा हुआ ये मैदान, टॉस का है समय, हेड्स इज द कॉल।
So from the past few matches, we have seen whoever loses in this game of ours actually wins. Maybe it's a sign. Let's see if we can make it 4 in a row today. Let's get on with our new segment, what the other experts are predicting. What do you think of this video? Do check out our new betting platform called Sona9. The link to the referral is in the description below. And if you have any questions, please do check out our weekly IPL update. We also have a guest interview lined up at 2:30 p.m. Saturday. Don't forget to check that out. Bye.